चालू केल्या डायरेक्टर ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट त्याबद्दल सांगा.
As you yourself are seeing, this is the new address of the Directorate of Transport. Transport म्हळ्यार सगळ्यांक लागू जाता. Common man, people in the business of transport, and everybody for that matter. This department is such that interaction with the public is maximum. And तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता आमी पहिले जुंता हावसान आसले एक ल्हानशे ऑफिसान and तेन्ना कंप्लेन करताले how to function here. Even my officers used to complain to me, we cannot function there. With the new premises, what we have shifted now, and they will be fully operational Monday, Tuesday here, I expect newer ideas to come in their mind. Automatically, they will feel like doing something better than what they have done in the past. This is the mindset in a good surrounding, where it will propel them to serve the public even better than what they have been serving. I am not suggesting that they were not serving, but they will serve much better than what they have already been doing. And that is what I want to exchange a few thoughts with them, so that people feel that the transport department is in tune with modern times, in tune with the changing times. As you know, now in today's world, there are so many new normals coming. So one of the new normal that will be coming here is the good, efficient functioning of transport department. That much I can say.
So is this premises disabled friendly?
Yeah, you have seen the ramp. They have already put that. They have taken that into mind. Even if further some improvement is to be done, they will do.
So one of the things that you mentioned was that AI-enabled cameras will be set up and they'll be able to know who was inside tinted glasses, cars with tinted glasses. Would you be able to elaborate a little on that?
Yeah, with these latest cameras that are there, even there is night vision. You can literally identify even the smallest of number plates. You can at high speed. Obviously, you can see even through tinted glasses and see who is the offender or what is happening. So Goa will have less crime rate if this is done. It is bound to happen once it is monitored through our command and control center, which also will be operational. We are trying to get it done as soon as possible. Once that is done, our cameras are operational. You will also find automatically the rate of accidents happening coming down because the speed will come down. I have seen it happening on one single road in Donapal. Knowing that there are cameras, people slow down because every time they don't want a challan coming at their home address. And it's not that everyone has to come to your house to give. It comes automatically on your address, on your registered address. So nobody wants that to happen.
So how many cameras are you planning to procure and by when are you planning to implement?
It is in phases. In the first phase, we are installing 92 cameras at 92 locations and across Goa. Thereafter, we will be going to 200 and much more than that. In fact, I want every important junction to be covered. So wherever a person goes, even in an interior village, he has to go back by that same road. So we will catch the criminals also in the long run. So that is the aim in installing such cameras.
So timelines set for this?
We are doing it already. It is tendered. Work is going on. Already work is going on. I think around 40 cameras.
25 locations in a couple of weeks' time.
In 2 weeks' time, 25. Maybe 2 months' time, and totally around 50, and then the rest will follow.
So टॅक्सीकरांचे इश्यू सॉल्व्ह जातले आता न्यू आयले न्यू आयडिया टॅक्सीकरांचे इश्यू
टॅक्सीकारांचे एक इश्यू सॉल्व्ह जातलो म्हणजे दे विल नॉट ओव्हर स्पीड.
ओके
So their mind also will run slow and they will agree to what government is saying. I hope for that.